The SRP RGBW Strip Light from FX Luminaire offers unmatched color-changing performance and seamless installation. Adding to our complete line of best in-class LED products, the SRP RGBW Strip Light is designed to make installation easier, faster, and longer lasting than the competition. The vibrant and versatile solution makes it easier than ever to illuminate stair ledges, outdoor patios, hardscape elements, and more. To initiate and control color-changing effects, the SRP CC Strip Light color controller is also required. When installed with the SRP CC color controller, the SRP RGBW Strip Light is compatible with the next-generation Luxor controller from FX Luminaire, or any traditional low-voltage transformer for unmatched color-changing effects. Choose from two convenient control options, standalone or Luxor mode. For compatibility with any low-voltage transformer, use standalone mode. It lets you manually set hue, saturation, and intensity. Luxor mode allows the user to set a group to the SRP CC. The strip light will change colors when the Luxor controller turns on the assigned group. The SRP RGBW Strip Light is built with the same innovative design as the award-winning white SRP Strip Light. The SRP RGBW Strip Light has silicone-encased LEDs that distribute light evenly without hotspots. No matter the color selected, you will only see smooth, soft light that's illuminating the desired landscape or architectural features. The extruded silicone body and the IP65 rating protects against harsh environments for dust-proof and water-resistant performance. Installation is a breeze. Insert the LED spacer, slide the splice connector into the strip plate, and snap the connector clip in place. Each unit comes in 10-foot, 3.1 meter lengths with 2-inch, 51 millimeter cut marks for precision customization. A pre-installed 10-foot, 3.1 meter power feed, splice connectors, end caps, and all necessary accessories are included too. The unique splice connector design means heat shrink or adhesive are no longer needed to ensure proper connection. With the SRP RGBW Strip Light, lighting pros have a reliable, easy-to-install solution, backed by the high quality and premium performance synonymous with the FX Luminaire name. Learn more at fxl.com.